Hi, I'm Eric Bryant, an applications engineer here with TriMech, and today I'd like to introduce you to the newest PolyJet support material available from Stratasys. Do you ever have issues with breaking your PolyJet parts when trying to remove support? Or how about spending lots of your valuable time manually removing supports? If so, then this is the video for you. Let's dig in. PolyJet support removal usually involves utilizing a water jet system. That high pressure water can sometimes cause damage to delicate or thin features of your parts, or if you have a part with deep holes or intricate channels, just the inability to remove that support material. WSS-150 is a single-step, hands-free support removal solution. It's a water-soluble support material available on the Stratasys J-series machines, like the J35 and the J55. No mechanical upgrade is needed to begin using it. Just ensure you're utilizing the latest version of GrabCAD Print and your printer software is up to date. Let's go take a closer look. Simply drop your part in a container of tap water, and over time the support material will dissolve away. Heat and agitation can speed up the process. And for an even faster solution, you can use a dishwasher. Just be sure to collect the wastewater. Speaking of wastewater, you may be asking yourself, well, that sounds great, but what do I do with this wastewater that has a dissolved support material in it? Stratasys makes it easy with their L2S powder. I'll show you. Just add the L2S powder to the wastewater and it solidifies. It can then be disposed of as solid waste in line with your local regulations. Let's take a closer look at some of these example parts. Water-soluble support is great for thin or delicate features like those found on this Mayflower replica here. Internal cavities like those on this water-soluble support pebble. Or if you have assemblies with moving parts. Or if you're doing batch printing where you just want a more automated hands-off approach to get your parts in hand. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out to your local TriMech representative. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe so you can catch a future video where we'll compare different water-soluble support removal methods. Thanks!